Jack, can you show everybody what you started doing today? Here, come here. Come here. Can you show everybody what you can do? No, put your legs out. Good job. Good job. Let's do it again. Come on. Let's get on all flat on your belly. There you go. Go ahead. Can you get up? See, what's that? Is that your monitor? Can you get up? Get up. Good job, Jack. Good job. Now you can come back down? No? Yes?